Hello! So I have a gorgeous client here. This is the star of Fort Saskatchewan. So he will have, magpaano daw siya? Mag-massage muna and then magpapogi. Yan. And then magbentusa daw siya. I will do fire cupping on him. This is the best technique for massage. Inward. Ayan. This is the proper massage technique. Papasok yung technique. It's been a while nang wala akong masahe. Puro ako papaganda. Medyo matagal ka nang walang masahe. Tigas na likod mo, gwapo. I am 24 years massage therapist and 5 years as acupuncturist. And this is my first year for esthetician. Kaya, bongga ang lola. And then, continue lang natin. I will continue later on pag nagpapogi na siya. So, till next. Bye-bye!